Do you have generator questions that you need answers to? This is Tech Talk. I'm Kendall Crampton, Service Manager here at Randazzo Heating and Cooling.
And I'm Aaron Ellis, Electrical Manager.
And today on this very special episode of Tech Talk, we're going to have a three-part series talking about generators, specifically transfer switches or ATSs. So Aaron, where in the home does the transfer switch go?
So there's two different types of transfer switches. There's the whole home transfer switch, which we would mount out at the electrical meter on the outside of the house. That one is service rated, so it's got a main breaker and it would become the shut off to the home. The other style would be an essentials panel. That one would be located downstairs by the electrical panel.
So outside, what are these things made out of that they can kind of stand up to the weather and conditions that we have here in Michigan?
Yeah, so they are NEMA 3 rated, which means they're rated for outdoor use. They are corrosion resistant aluminum, painted, so it has a nice finished look to it. It's got the logo on it, and they are designed to withstand whatever nature has to throw at it, whether it's rain, sleet, snow, wind, it doesn't matter, it'll hold up to it.
So how does this kind of all tie in with my home's existing electrical?
Yeah, so basically, like I said, the outdoor panel, the whole home, would be your main breaker for the house. So it's your emergency shutoff, which would then create a sub panel out of your home panel. So what we would do is we would run a new feeder cable into the home panel. We would isolate the neutrals and grounds, creating a sub panel, and then that would then be powered off of that automatic transfer switch.
This sounds like a long process. How long does this typically take to do an install?
A typical day looks like we get there at 8 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock. We'll be working there probably 8 to 10 hours, depending on circumstances that we run into. But it's a one-day install. By the time we're done, the ATS, the generator, everything's functioning and running like it should. And you probably will look at about a 30-minute to an hour shutdown of power. However, if we have to do a panel upgrade on the home as well, then you're probably going to look at a little bit longer power shutdown, which would be about 4 to 6 hours.
Well, thank you so much, Aaron, for all that information. And that concludes today's Tech Talk.
Perfect.